What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Recipe or Disaster, where we make the recipe for you and give it our review.
Today we're doing s'mores egg rolls from Delish.
Hey guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell icon, because that's going to be doing some stuff. It's going to be doing things, and things you want to happen are going to happen. Your whole dreams, all of them, all at once, will come true if you just hit the bell icon. So go ahead and do it.
That was like a lot. A lot of energy. All right, make sure you do the poll and let us know if you think this is gonna be a good recipe or a disaster.
Poll. Click the little icon. Poll. Prep the egg rolls.
Make sure you grab those egg rolls.
That's perfect.
Disclosure, my husband didn't pick up the egg roll wrappers, so we have to use wonton wrappers instead.
All right, everybody, let's get to frying those egg rolls. All right, here we go. Here's the finished product. As you can see in the video, Marshmallow didn't want to stay in his place, wanted to go. He was a big boy now and wanted to leave the house and explore the world.
Poor s'mores got empty house, or what is it called? Empty nesting?
Empty house syndrome.
Empty house syndrome. Aww.
But let's try these things, see how they taste.
We do have some dipping chocolate here for the video.
It's optional, but
It's chocolate. There's no marshmallow.
there's no marshmallow. What you get is a big mouthful
Of chocolate.
of chocolate and crunch. I don't know what happened, but I guess maybe I didn't wrap them correctly, or maybe you actually do need to use the egg roll wraps instead of the wonton wrappers.
Because they're bigger.
Yeah, there's like no marshmallow left. It's just, here, let's break one open for you. As you can see, completely empty, except for the chocolate. Chocolate stayed in. Doesn't taste like a s'mores. Again, that could have been technical issues with the wrapping or rolling of the egg rolls.
The only difference really in an egg roll wrapper and a wonton wrapper is the size.
Yeah.
So maybe it's because we had to use the little marshmallows with these and they just like popped out.
Yeah, I don't know. Whatever the reason though, it doesn't taste like a s'more. So for this one, out of 10, because it wasn't what they said it was gonna be, the end product. And again, that could come down to technical issues, but I'm gonna give this a 3 out of 10, personally. What are you gonna give this one?
probably like a 4, maybe a 5. It doesn't taste like s'mores. I'm obsessed with s'mores. I love s'mores. I buy s'more pie.
S'more coffee creamer.
S'more coffee creamer. S'more ice cream.
She always wants s'more.
S'more. I don't know what it is, but s'mores are very special. And these do not remind me of s'mores, even in the the least. They don't taste horrible, but it's not s'mores.
Yeah, they're good, but not s'mores.
Yeah. So I'll go 4.
4. All right. 3 and 4. You guys go ahead and let us know what you think. Go ahead and make this video, We want you guys to try this recipe out too and let us know what you think. Did the marshmallow escape or did you nail it? So in the comment section, let us know what you think. Also let us know if there's any other recipes you'd like us to try.
Please let us know what recipes you'd like us to try. It really helps us out picking and deciding what we're going to do each week. So our reviews are based off of your recommendations?
Yeah.
Input?
Yeah.
Our review is based off of you.
Our review is based off of you. All right, everybody, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to tune in next time. We're going to have another recipe for you. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. We're out of here.